Hey guys, level 2 here. We're gonna do our trade plan for overnights on the Monday the 9th, from Sunday the 9th to Monday the 10th of February. So let's go into a trade review and a trade plan of what we were expecting. So we got a couple nice bounces of our areas and fades on Friday. FOMC day, didn't expect much to happen, so made some good profits from overnights and yeah. If you was on the market review, you would have seen I had three micro sell from 28s to truly close with targets at 12. That was filled very quickly. Into a buy now. I got a buy at 6. Legged out at 1 at 13, which gave me 13 points, and stop loss went to break even. And looking for the flow back up. I have one sitting cell sitting right here at 25s, 24 to 25. So I have a sitting cell at 24, being a little bit aggressive. The trade is actually at 24 with 6.5 points, 1.5 to 1. So short, being a little bit aggressive on the sell side. 120 to 33, 24 as the entry, 6.5 points. Looking for 10 point quick TP area. So is return back up the point of control settlement, point of controls from Friday and Wednesday last week, and looking for this trade already in this trade at 06. Looking for the return back up to 19 is my target. That is secondary part of my trade. We got the drop, clean drop, as we said, from Friday. Took one on just prior to the close. We had a lot of validation break return we were looking for and continuation. So I already set up the areas we're looking for to be interested in tomorrow. So we already have this 42 area listed as 0.5 deviation to the upside from Friday's close. If we do have a push in the market, I don't see it going further than this by far. And if it does push through, we look at where our limit, we have orders we may set up on this. So now this is our overnight trade plan, so just be careful on what you're trading if you're trading overnights. I haven't reviewed oil as yet, so we'll just do a quick review of oil. Crude oil, and see what the market open at just under the 50 marker again. You can see we're at 49.75, 50. We don't have any areas of interest here. 49.50 is a buy area for us, but we just look for the reaction in the market and look to trade technical areas in the market on oil. So let's have an overview of what we were looking for and looking at in the market and basic trade plans for tomorrow. So we're looking for more or less some weakness to come into the market after at least a return to the 1920 area. So want to look to see if we get 19 to 20 for the secondaries on our buy area. And a return on the open. From the open, we're looking to fade either value area low or value area high here. So we're looking to be a little bit aggressive tomorrow on the open, or just prior to the open, which is we're looking to sell 24s, and then we're looking to sell 35s, 36 on those areas. If you do get to 24s, look to make sure it stops behind 30. So you can see exactly where our stop is behind Wednesday's value area high. So if you can get up to 31.5, 32s as your stop areas, just to make sure you negate any possible downtrend. And we have solid buys here sitting at 93s. We have a solid buy sitting here to contract buy at 93s, and 94s. So our break is 92, entry with 94 as our break point, test point. So that's basically it. Where we have tomorrow, we have areas of interest where we're looking at what we completed already for the night. So we had some good over weekend trading. just reading the market and looking at and watching the market of where looking to enter. If you did enter, flick sell on the open, you would have got a pretty nice run through of a trade of the 26, 27s. That was a quick run through prior to the market open. The expectation is for continuation of the downside. That's why we have two buys in this area for overnight and a single sell looking for 1.5 to 1. And knowing which part value area low is, you can see why we have the 1.5 10 points from 24 to 14. This is why we had the TP at 12 right here for this node, and you can see it pushed through the node and it went to the 05 06 area we were talking about on Friday on the market recap. So basically we trying to look for a downward move in the market. If you're looking for sells, aggressive sell should be at 19 to 20, nothing above 19 to 20 on the aggressive side. On the sell, just be careful, trade small, trade smart, do not over trade, do not over leverage. Right, basically you're trying to get into also Tesla buy between 75 675 6 and 650. We want to look at feeding the market to get like coronavirus. We want to get this down as much as possible. We know why we have technical points there, so if you're trading that, all well and good. If you're not trading it, all well and good also. So we already got out of this one, most of it, so we're just looking for the punch to the upside to the 1920 area. We have TPs at 19s, which is right here, which is kickoff level right here. So looking for that retest. The market should be open in the next 20 minutes in Japan. Let's see if Japan markets open in the next 20 minutes. Also, yeah, Japan is open. So yeah, Japan opens at 5, so that was drop. Forget that, using daylight savings time here. Right, so more or less you're looking for a continuation downflow and look for support of this 92 to 96 area. You have a lot of work you can do there, going to averaging entry if you see fit for a small amount of strength back up to this 03. You can see why we have nodes where the points of control was. So your aggressive entry is 95 or 96 and your conservative entry is 92. Looking for that bounce to the upside back to that 3302 3303 area. Sorry guys, hope you guys have a good night trading or a good day trading tomorrow. Most likely I'll be streaming live tomorrow and executing some trades. Might have the demo account running. Don't know if I would be able to run the demo account tomorrow. So okay guys, bye.